Alright, the time is 8:02 and today we're going on a short breakfast ride to this place called Citrus Trails, and this place is around 35 kilometers from my location. And what's so special about this place is this entire property, it's in the midst of the coffee plantation. So it will just give you the feeling as if you're in Coorg or even maybe Chikmagalur, but in reality it's in Bangalore near Bannerghatta. So Prasad and I are going right now to this particular place now. So if you're new to this channel, it's all about bike rides, traveling and exploring new places, and of course with some reviews. So other than that, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So right now I'm heading towards the meeting point, which is near the Bannerghatta toll, Nice Road toll, and from there we're going to take the Bannerghatta road all the way to the state forest. So yeah, so let's get going. So reached the Bannerghatta toll exit, and from here I'm going to take a right towards the Bannerghatta road. This is Bannerghatta road, and we're gonna take a right, and there's a board right there which says Bannerghatta. So I'm gonna wait here. So I think Prasad is already waiting. Yeah, that's him. What's up? Alright, we started the ride again. Now the ETA from Google is around 26 minutes from this place, and we have to be there by 9 o'clock. So one important thing about this place is you'll have to do a reservation before you actually go there, because they will not allow you if you don't have any reservations, and you may get into problems like, you know, no tables, no place and whatnot. So it is better to avoid such situations. So this is Bannerghatta road. We'll have to take a deviation towards the left if I'm not wrong. That leads into the Ragihalli State Forest, and a little bit of riding inside the forest though, which is fun. So let me show you those roads in a bit. So this is the deviation that we have to take to Citrus Trails, and this will go directly into the Ragihalli State Forest. Narrow roads though, but then again a little further you'll be able to feel as if you're riding inside the forest. It's a small forest, it is not a huge one, because You'll hardly be there for about 2-3 kilometers, and then you may hit small towns and villages and whatnot. So yeah, so let me show you guys in a bit. So yeah, this is the forest roads that I was talking to you about. So if you see, do not tease the wild animals. So I'm not sure what wild animals are here. Elephants are there for sure, but I don't know about others. But yeah, this is the forest road I was talking to you guys about. Nice, peaceful, calm, relaxing to ride on such roads. So let's take a drone shot here to see how this entire place would look like. So that was a good drone shot, and Citrus Trails is around 10 minutes away from this particular location. Okay, so we reached the place. So right in front of us is Citrus Trails Farm and Kitchen. I'm not sure where this road goes, but then again, this is the place, and our parking is over here. Okay, so this is the car parking of Citrus Trails, and just behind this particular shed we have the bike parking as well, and this is where we enter the property. So this is a coffee plantation I spoke about, and all of these are coffee plants, and you have some pepper as well. Yeah, those creepers over there on those trees, those are pepper. So there are not much of a coffee beans over here that are seen, hardly few. Maybe not the right season, I guess. So yeah, let's get inside the property now. So this is Citrus Trails, the entrance of Citrus Trails. And what you see out there is the actual launch. So let me get inside and show you guys more on this. So these are the coffee beans that you can see at max right now, and this is the property view. And the best part is you have night stay options as well. If you go this way, now if you take this route, you will go to the cottages that they have to provide. I'm not sure about the tariff and whatnot, but again, of course, you have an option to do a night out here. Okay, so this is how you enter the property over this bridge, and this is a view this side. So nice, calm and peace property where you can come and relax with your friends and family. Okay, so this is our breakfast, and that is all American non-veg, and this is chicken cream omelette, and this is what we're going to eat along with a cup of coffee. So we'll finish this, and I'll probably give you guys a tour around this particular place, which is actually quite nice and pleasant. And we have a pond as well as some other trails as well over here. So I'll just show you that in a bit. So this is the way to the pond and the amphitheater. This pond has a couple of ducks and few lotuses, and they've made a shed kind of a setup for any sort of outdoor activities. Good place to hang out and walk around. So let's take a drone shot here to see how the amphitheater as well as the entire lake would look like.
right, the time is 11:15 and we've done exploring this place as well as finished capturing some footage. And now it's time for us to head back home. So I'll catch you guys on the bike in a bit.
Okay. All right, the time is 11:43 and we are done with Citrus Trails. So it's a nice place to relax and have fun. I mean, in the midst of the coffee plantation and the pond and other facilities that they may have, it's a good facility to just come and visit, have fun and then leave. So we're done with the Citrus Trails at the first place, so I'm going to take the nice road all the way to my home and Prasad will go straight on the Bannerghatta road. So that's it for the day, guys. So if you like this particular video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and of course I will see you in the next one.